How to fix League of Legends crashing. 1. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Update graphics card drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Update the ActX. 4. Perform a clean boot. 5. Repair corrupt game files via the Initiate Full Repair option. 6. Change LOL video settings. See the recommended settings below. Resolution, match desktop resolution. Character quality, very low. Environment quality, very low. Shadows, no shadow. Effects quality, very low. Frame rate cap, 60 FPS. Wait for vertical sync, unchecked. Anti-aliasing, unchecked. 7. Install.net. Framework 3.5 as admin. 8. Update your Windows. 9. Close all unused or unnecessary background tasks with Task Manager. 10. Turn off your antivirus while you're playing the LOL game.